Hey guys, this is how to transfer my domain from Squarespace to Shopify. So guys, I made this table over here so we can understand more. So first thing that you will do is you must prepare the domain transfer from Squarespace. So just simply go to your Squarespace and go to the home and go to the settings and go to the domains. And after that, just simply select the domain that you want to transfer. And from there, just make sure to unlock the lock domain button, and after that, just simply click send transfer authentication code. So you will receive a code via email. And after that, just simply retrieve the authentication code from your email. And now, once you have done that, guys, just simply go ahead and access your Shopify domain settings by just simply going for the Shopify admin and just simply go to the settings and go to the domains. And after that, just simply initiate the domain transfer by just simply select transfer domain. And after that, just simply enter the domain name. So guys, make sure to don't include the www dot and just make sure to include only the name and .com. And after that, just simply verify the domain status by just simply clicking on next and then verify it. And guys, if the domain shows domain unlocked, just simply follow these steps again. And after that, guys, in the verification code box, just simply enter the authentication code from the Squarespace. And after that, just simply click next and then buy and transfer. And from there, just simply approve the transfer because an email will be sent to you. So just simply check your email for a link or button to approve the transfer. And after that, the domain will take some time to transfer and Shopify will confirm via email once the process is complete. And after that, just simply design your store and keep your store live. There you go. See ya.